A very good morning, my dear students. How are you? I hope you all are fit, safe, healthy at your places. So, welcome in our UKG Dora class. Myself, Mrs. Monica Chand, and I am your class teacher. Now, tell me what is the day today? Today is Starter Tuesday, and the date is 27 April. Today we have our English class, and what we are going to do today? Today we are going to learn new sound words. Yes, today we will make new sound words with the help of app word. Okay, with the help of two-letter app word. So let's start. Children, what we are going to do today? Today we are going to make three-letter words with the help of new sound. Okay, which sound? Let's see. See, firstly we have done add sound words. So we have done add sound words. So we will remove add from this list. After that we did add sound words. After that, after add sound words, we did and sound. So now today is app. This is app. Today we are going to make three-letter words with the help of this sound. App. A-P. App. Okay. So see, when A vowel and P consonant joins together, they will make a sound. They will make two-letter word which sound app. This is app. So children, today we are going to make three-letter words with the help of this sound, with the help of app sound. So are you ready to learn some more words? So let's start. See, this is the house of app sound. Okay, so we will take out app and arrange these app in a line. Okay, A-P makes app. A-P makes app. This is app. Okay, so see, these all are app. These all are app. And these are consonants. These are consonants. So with the help of consonant, we will make three-letter word. Okay. So which consonant is this? This is M. M. M says M says app. Map. App. Map. App. Map. कौन सा वर्ड बना? Map. App. Map. The next is, which consonant is this? An. An says An says app. App. Nap. App. Nap. This is nap. App. Map. App. Nap. And this is T. T. T says T. T. App. T. App. Tap. T. App. Tap. T. App. Tap. Okay. Next consonant is C. C. C says K. C says K. K. App. K. App. Cap. K. App. Cap. This is cap. And the last is G. G. G says G. G. App. G. App. When G and app joins together, they will make a word gap. So children, see, with the help of these consonants, जो app sound है वो अभी क्या बन गए? 3-letter words बन गए है ना? 1, 2, 3. Now there are 3 letters, right? अब अभी हम इसको एक बार फिर से रिवाइज करें, एक बार फिर से रीड करें और ऐसे ही in this way you also have to read, okay, with the help of their sounds. Now let's do reading again, okay? Listen carefully. You have to listen carefully, okay, children? So let's start with the first word. Gap, gap. G and app makes a word gap. Gap, gap. This is cap. Cap, cap. Cap, cap. This is a cap. Next is app, tap. App, tap. When t and app sound joins together, they will make a word tap. Tap means null. This is a tap. App, nap. App, nap. Nap means sleeping. App, map. App, map. Are India's map. Hooray! We have done it. So children, हम लोगों ने reading भी कर ली और हमने words बनाना भी सीखे. Now what we are going to do? Now we will do these words. We will write these words in our English notebook. Okay? So let's start writing in the notebook. Bye-bye. Have you a nice day. Thank you. Have a nice day.